Advanced.
ขั้นสูง
We live in a technologically advanced world. Annoyed.
รำคาญ
The teacher was annoyed because nobody did the homework. Annoying.
น่ารำคาญ
Their children's behavior is really annoying. Aristocrat.
ขุนนาง
An aristocrat is a member of the aristocracy. Article.
บทความ
I found this article in Wikipedia. Award.
รางวัล
I've never won an award, have you? Billionaire.
มหาเศรษฐี
The first space tourist was an American billionaire. Bored.
เบื่อ
I'm bored, let's do something fun. Boring.
น่าเบื่อ
The film was so boring I fell asleep. Box office.
box office
The Philosopher's Stone made over $970 million at the box office. Businessman.
นักธุรกิจ
He's a successful American businessman. Catch.
จับ
Did you catch any fish today? Character.
บุคลิก
My favorite Star Wars character is Princess Leia. Cost.
ค่าใช้จ่าย
My new jacket cost a fortune. Crisis.
วิกฤต
The economic crisis affected my business. Disappointed.
ที่ผิดหวัง
My sister was disappointed because she missed the party. Disappointing.
น่าผิดหวัง
Our holiday was disappointing because the hotel was awful. Draw.
เสมอ
Neither of us lost the game. It was a draw. Dress.
ชุด
My cousin is a successful dress designer. Dyslexic.
ดิสเลกเซียความบกพร่องทางการเรียนรู้
As a child, I was dyslexic and couldn't read well. Excited.
ตื่นเต้น
My son is very excited about his birthday. Exciting.
น่าตื่นเต้น
Life in New York is very exciting. Fascinated.
หลงไหล
I've always been fascinated by wax models. Fish.
ปลา
Did you fish for salmon? Fisherman.
ชาวประมง
It took the fisherman 4 hours to catch the tuna. Fortune.
โชค
He made a fortune with his fishing business. Founding.
การก่อตั้ง
George Harrison was a founding member of the Beatles. Frightened.
ระหนก
Marie Tussaud was frightened during the French Revolution. Guillotine.
กิโยติน
Marie Antoinette was guillotined during the French Revolution. Hijacker.
โจรจี้เครื่องบิน
A hijacker took control of the plane. Housekeeper.
แม่บ้าน
Marie's mother worked as a housekeeper. Inherit.
สืบทอด
He's going to inherit a fortune now that his uncle has died. Lifelike.
เหมือนจริง
We queued for hours to see a lifelike wax model of the US president. Lose.
สูญเสีย
Did you lose the match again? Mask.
หน้ากาก
She made an animal mask for the party. Member.
สมาชิก
Are you a member of the club? Mexico.
เม็กซิโก
They live in a small fishing town in Mexico. Millionaire.
เศรษฐี
She became a millionaire when she was 20. Obviously.
อย่างชัดเจน
Obviously, we didn't meet Prince Harry at the museum. Parking ticket.
บัตรจอดรถ
If you park here, you may get a parking ticket. Pass.
ผ่าน
I don't think I'll pass my exam. Queue.
คิว
We waited in a queue for hours just to buy a ticket. Reopen.
เปิดใหม่
The museum will reopen next Saturday. Repair.
ซ่อมแซม
It cost $27 million to repair the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Revolution.
การปฏิวัติ
When did the French Revolution start? Russian.
ชาวรัสเซีย
Who is the Russian Prime Minister these days? Siesta.
นอนพักกลางวัน
I love having a siesta after lunch. Slovenia.
สโลวีเนีย
The conference took place in Slovenia. Soldier.
ทหาร
My great-grandfather was a soldier in the British Army. Surprising.
น่าแปลกใจ
It is surprising that the Wax Museum is still popular today. Switzerland.
สวิตเซอร์แลนด์
We moved to Switzerland when I was a kid. Tired.
เหนื่อย
I'm tired because I couldn't sleep last night. Tiring.
เหนื่อย
The game of tennis was long and tiring. Tuna.
ทูน่า
Tuna is my favorite fish. Wax.
ขี้ผึ้ง
Have you ever been to a wax museum? Waxworks.
งานแว็ก
The waxworks are so lifelike. Worldwide.
ทั่วโลก
The Harry Potter films were a success worldwide.